Hi guys, welcome. Yeah, show me should I know, okay? It's been a while since I did random reading via the Google hi. I'm a have wife too, so I have to make sure my husband eat and do all my groceries and everything. So they have no Google kick him all lock and go here. So you lot tata the no be your one eye your be your tata was it that your ex wanted to tell you, and what is it that một là chỉ nuôi chỉ tao khai đâu có lấy hai tiếng mấy là lối dài tao hòn tôi đua xia anh nó hai tao tự đâu có bao chị xí nó có xài đại phải tư nó chỉ do có đại nữa, ok chị lấy hai nó biết có là gì xứ, don't take it too personal. Lấy hai tiền nó chỉ resonate don't có là cái liền ya resonate có là hai ở trong thiết ya thì resonate nên là more like private reading law, contact me, okay? And one announcement mono kuya tờ lo live, ok kuya tờ đã lo wa live reading đua wa free reading cho biết sure đó nó chè nên cô là còn cụ thía thổi cho mù Eastern time, ok 9 p.m. Eastern time. Chỉ tiêu Minnesota, chỉ tiêu gì mông chỉ tiêu tôi về California đó nên chỉ tiêu giờ trong mông nào, ok. Alright, so la be get started now, okay. Yeah, idea có lo say đại phải thì this not butterfly but this feather here, it's very beautiful. Okay, here, what is it that your ex wanted to tell you? Very beautiful. Go the call even this feather here tell me, I feel like even this feather alone here tells me that hay nu zhong thia nu yim hop pain do kan go li thia la shi sha do thia, okay. This is how I feel just from this feather, the vibe, okay. Oh my gosh, oh my gosh. Okay, so can you guys see this? It says that in the very near future. Oh my god, I feel like your ex is coming back, okay. This immediately got the ex. You see this right here? Chemistry. Oh my goodness, it looks like the ex. No, I feel like your feelings are still there and he still feel it, or she still have feelings for you, okay. So I feel like deep down in a lock box, okay, you guys still have feeling for each other. The chemistry is still there. It's like you guys still secretly think about them. You know, you could don't okay, but he wants or she wants you to know that in the very near future, I feel like you guys gonna bump into each other. I feel like the need to you guys in a very bad term, okay, very bad term. Nu cô tàu đâu có bổ sung bổ sung ta theo, okay, hay cho nên cho kỹ luôn nào, okay. Nu cô tàu đâu có li hay bổ sung bổ sung theo lại có thứ sao thì có thứ tàu luôn nên giống là hiện cho trả ta nè, you thought your life was complete, but it wasn't. Li hay nên separated lỡ để she don't go li mong bộ cha là cho kỹ luôn nu tao bọn đó nè, okay. It was a very bad breakup, I feel. Yeah, see, kupolo. Kanai, tai tia. Ne itu takon very jealous, very controlling. Ne itu takon this is the reason why you guys break up, because the relationship was toxic, okay? Like itu nu have an addiction. Someone has an addiction that make this relationship very toxic, and don't need all itu can go na, okay? So, you know, I feel like sometimes you still wonder, and he or she still wonder about okay. So I feel like and I feel like this ex gonna come back into your life again. It's gonna be a part of your life again, okay. Okay. So nu saka ko po hatia jongli chinte donde na yine yo yakashin jido kuch both here, okay. So they like watch out, you know, if it's a bad relationship, you know, just be careful. Don't let them, you know, fool you twice, okay. Not again. All right, so the second deck here, it's really sad here, you know. I feel like, yeah, you guys just kind of further away. It was like, it was not meant to be for this deck right here. Wow, you are the one, the only one. This is what he or she wants you to know. You are the one, the only one. That's present time. Present time. So, nuchi past tense name. So that means I feel like you are the one that got away. Believe it or not, I feel you are the one that got away. Hey, oh my god, see the next card, you got away, honey. Oh Lord, I just said that and then boom, you are the one that got away, see? You're going on to this new journey, to new chapter with your new partner. That's not okay. So you're going to a honeymoon stage. No, you're moving on from okay. Here. Oh, I feel you are very happy. You are very happy with your relationship right now. So you are the one that got away. So I feel like you are fine right now. You're perfect. Further away. Okay. So oh my goodness. You are doing good, honey. I'm very proud of you. Each card here shows that you are a very strong individual. You will not back down. See no, okay, okay, wife partner so ex it will not change your mind, okay? Sika boy, you're so strong. You are a warrior, okay? Back down. So okay? So you've learned from your mistake. You learned from the past. Wow, okay. And I see that this relationship that you're in right now is so much better right now versus the past one. This one had to go partner that are meant to be. You guys are meant to be together. Teach darling the law. Be sure. Okay, so this feather here, I feel like it's very consistent. So I feel like this person is close by. Like X not still close by. So let's see what it says. Oh, okay. Okay. Oh my gosh. If you pick this third deck here, oh no. I feel like you and your ex are meant to be. I think you guys, for some reason, you guys met at the wrong time, okay? You guys met at the wrong time and you guys are gonna actually be together again, because I feel like you pick this deck, X, he's your soulmate, okay? So I feel like during that time, it says that I'm busy with work right now and it requires my attention. So the nutukin, he wasn't ready. I feel like being to get go no need to she plus oh yeah not ye. I feel like she yola no do not I feel do not strongly. This is your soulmate right here. Go to X on. Okay. Say goodbye, soulmate. Yes, this is your soulmate. Don't go to soulmate. I feel like during the time being, you guys were too busy for each other. You guys were right for each other, but you guys met at the wrong time. See this right here, death card here? It tells me that the relationship you're in right now is gonna end eventually, or relationship that's not new. You see, you're stuck. How can you look at X on? Go to X and look on. Trong go warning relationship that's not still happy here. So I see an ending to the relationship and so this is like you being stuck, don't know, you going back and forth, bouncing back and forth. But I think eventually you and that person, yes, will come together. You and your ex will come together because you guys are soulmate. Each other, no? So I feel it's an unbreakable bond. So I don't know, man. If you pick this deck, let me know how it goes, because this sounds like this is a movie drama right now, or a K-drama right now, okay? K-drama, because I feel like maybe 10 years down the road, you guys are gonna come together. Uh-oh. Please don't kill me, okay? Okay. Oh. See? This is why I said that I feel like this is so consistent. Like, this person is in your life, you know? Oh my gosh. Oh, YOLO. Let's continue, okay? Let's continue. Okay. So, I feel like it's like it's starting to die, where like I feel like you are going through a hard time with this person, and it started to die out. Well, let's see what it says. Oh my gosh. Guys, if you pick deck 4, I say die out. Oh my god. Dạ quên ngoài trâu luôn theo tôi hay trâu trâu à. Dạ có biết cái deck nó của lúc có hình nữa, tao quay từ của lúc có hình á. Cái deck nó it shows me that nu đâu có mò xia hiểu, mò xia mòn chữ cưng cầu đi nữa. It says, okay, this is what your ex want to say to you. I love you. I love the way you make me feel, but I can't give you the same return. So yeah, like I feel that's not new now, okay? Make him as happy as you make him happy or her happy, no? So yeah, that's not really more kusiga. Then you feel like, you know, yatalona no do he. You selfish, he couldn't give you the same thing in return, okay? So don't go that's not to be kusiga juju. Siko pola no kusia then no she express no feeling do go bonone. You are the one that you are so good to him, honey. Có lúc này thì tia li cũng feel hot energy đó nói để có lúc nữa hi. Thì chỉ nu chỉ chơi lúc có nè, nu chỉ chơi lúc có, theo vào đâu có, thì anh ấy cái lúc theo li một chút tao. Thì tại sao nu sao cho có lo, nu cứ xí đó nu feel like có ở trong hành động nữa, chỉ muốn lên tôi hiểu ở trong bảo có ở trong nữa là nó. Có bỏ lo, có lúc xí trong hành nó mò, bảo lên nó mò. Có bỏ hai tia đó có tụ khen ná yo. Có cô ấy tụi mình gọi là very special, you know, okay? Very special. You can make people happy, okay? And you can like có mỗi nhiều một chia, like có mỗi tí giả có lúc đào lúc sau có chụp khung xí li, cô thì phải có rồi hình đó có tụ, hay có tụ mình, có tụ X now, okay? Thì she could both depend on how the cho kiến nhân dân yolan đâu có karma is gonna get him or her. So that is why he's feeling that way right now. So karma here is saying that the nữ thiết con yo nữ tàu đi chợ đâu có là như những mấy thủ ở đâu nữ thiết chỉ tại sao nữ bỏ nữ plong mỏ so nữ खुशी có hiểu có bỏ nè cái deep love kia là cái deep love kia cho kiến như xuyên là nữ cái deep love kia có toxic relationship, so very very beautiful cái deep love nữa, okay? Chỉ nó có một xuyên thiết, but wow, I feel like this is a very sad breakup. Nữ खुशी có lo, okay? This one right here. Well, I feel like this relationship here ends a okay term, but we're gonna find out. But just the feather here stuff, I feel the energy like go okay here, like our relationship that ends. But we'll see what has for you guys. Okay. Oh. Ooh. Okay, sorry. I'm sorry. I keep making expression because I can't hold it back. Okay, so on the nana, I've been in my head about you constantly. So don't know, okay? So for some reason right now, he's thinking or she's thinking a lot about you, okay? Like but I feel like you guys are meant to be in each other's life. So I didn't I feel like even though you guys are not together as boyfriend, girlfriend, or husband, wife, I feel like you guys are like soul family, or like you guys are meant to be in each other's life, okay? So it's like somehow like for example, you go to change low, like you need to change it down, a don't go like kind of stuck in the same family, or like idea. Or like I feel like you guys are like meant to be in each other's life, so something like that. So they to the point where like you guys will see each other, okay? So the night you could feel like the kinayo, he's very strong, and they no more a lot of determination. Him the new king, they have no good chance that so got to you no chi hai to no, okay, no chi hai to do not no just share him the side that you no cut to hondo share su, okay? So I feel like Tony she tell no wrong the now, okay? So right now I feel like he probably won't act on his decision. So no junior got look he or she won't act on their decision, their feelings, emotions. I'm sorry, their emotions. Okay, so ni san jong ta got to lushi ho. Tia khana hai to go hai tia. Oh no, ye ni no mo ping si hai no. Okay, so yeah, they have. I feel like yeah, new start. I feel like if he wants to or she wants to get back in your life, I feel you will go back to them. Okay, because this person is very like charismatic. Thiên nun chỉ lu gì nhẹ hình. Theo cũng chẳng có chừng nhẹ nữa thế, okay? Đó khả năng gì lu gì nhẹ very attractive. And you don't have strong willpower. Theo cũng phải tụi nó what tao hay tao thiên nữa mà bình sự hình á yo. So yeah, they hay mo yo. Yeah, tụi nó xả tao có thế. I feel like nó như chính tao có, but I feel like that's not no tao bỏ tụi nó oi giá sana, okay? Đó khả năng just xả so he just think about he haven't act on it yet. See, he just thinking about he haven't act on it yet. So, but if he does act on it, honey, I feel like he has a really good chance, or she has a really good chance to win you back. So, when that person act on it, nothing can stop them. They would just keep striving for it, and they make sure they win. If they don't win, they don't stop. So, good. So, be careful, okay? So, good morning, I hope you guys really enjoyed this session. If you guys like something more like this, just let me know, okay? And once again, this is Yayua signing off.